Hi! In front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Storage over here, and tap on Free Up Space. Then select one of these folders. I will go with Download one, and select files that you don't need. I will go with Fortnite installer, so I have to hold it and choose the bin icon over here. Then tap Done. So now when I go back, I can see that storage of my device was successfully cleaned. But you can also go into App Files, select Clean over here, and sometimes over here you will see junk files. So all you need to do is click on Clean Up Junk Files to get rid of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!